Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. So we're here with a 3D printed, what I call, snowboat. So it's an airboat that uses an EDF and a rudder to steer. We do have to open this up to turn it on, so I'll show you what we got going inside there. So just for testing purposes today, I have the receiver strapped to the side with the antenna going up where it shouldn't get sucked into the EDF. There's your servo on the back. So that should steer us. We have the Turnigy 3-cell pack in there, and there is the Castle Micro ESC in there. And that is a 4S capable, so we might even try the Turnigy 4S pack. We'll see how that goes. So let's see how this does. So, louder. There we go. Okay. Ready? Okay, so just like a jet ski, you have to be under propulsion in order to turn. So slow speed steering is not going to be an easy thing to do. Let's see if it'll propel backwards.
Backwards.
Nope.
No backwards.
Okay, so steer under power just like a jet ski. Okay. So too much rudder does nothing. So I gotta try to lightly steer. And this is where this design is flawed. Tell you what, it goes straight pretty fast. Good to go. Cheetah. All right, ready? Okay, it does way better on powder. Look at that bad dog go.
It's so cute.
Okay, let's try that again. And close-ups. That was cool. Okay, so I figured it out. Remember the fins we added so that it wouldn't get tail happy the first time we tried to use this machine? You guys don't know this, but I printed this like 2 years ago. So I added these after the fact to help with the stability. Now we notice when it digs, it doesn't steer very well at slow speed, but in the powder, it's able to overcome the sideways slide and steer. How cool. Oh, we had to try it. There was a jump. I had to try it. It didn't work. It nosedived, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. No more jumps.
Oh.
You guys, it's doing so much better than I thought it was going to. So cool on the powder. Let's go again. Whew. I don't even think I need 4 cell. Geez, that'd be kind of nutty. Unless it can propel itself easier with less heat, but I doubt it.
Oh.
Man. All right, everybody, that's where we're gonna end it. Those last couple of pulls were full trigger just to kind of maintain. So we're definitely getting low on the pack. You know what? This was a huge success compared to what it has been before. So this was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. My hands are effing freezing, so we'll see you later.